CachyOS has been making waves in the Linux community, but is it really worth your time? With so many distributions out there, it can be tough to know which ones truly deliver. Let's dive into what CachyOS brings to the table. CachyOS is a Linux distribution that aims to provide a user-friendly experience while maintaining speed and performance. At its core, it's built on Arch Linux, which is known for its rolling releases and flexibility. What stands out right away is its focus on being lightweight and fast, making it a potential choice for users who want a snappy desktop experience. The user interface feels polished, with a clean design that appeals to both newcomers and seasoned Linux users. However, it's worth noting that being based on Arch means there's a bit of a learning curve if you're not familiar with it. The installation process is straightforward, but some may find the options overwhelming without prior experience. Another aspect that feels a bit vague is its long-term support and community backing. While the developers have put in effort to create a solid distro, the level of ongoing support and updates isn't entirely clear yet, which might concern those looking for stability. CachyOS has some real strengths, particularly its speed and responsiveness. Users who prioritize performance will likely appreciate its lightweight nature. The design is also a plus, offering a modern feel that doesn't sacrifice usability. On the flip side, the reliance on Arch Linux can be a double-edged sword. While it offers flexibility, it can also lead to frustration for users who prefer a more straightforward experience. Additionally, the lack of clarity around community support and updates might be a red flag for some. If you're a beginner, you might want to explore alternatives that offer more hand-holding, as CachyOS could leave you feeling a bit lost. However, if you're comfortable with Linux and looking for something that prioritizes speed, it could be worth a shot. In conclusion, CachyOS is a solid choice for those who value performance and a sleek interface, but it may not be the best fit for beginners or those seeking robust community support. If you're willing to navigate its nuances, it could be a worthy addition to your Linux toolkit. Just be sure to weigh your options first.